Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is from the chapter Tangents and Sequence to a Circle for grade 10 students. Okay, so in this I'm taking this unit 9 and exercise 9.1. The second question is, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters meets a line to the center O at a point Q so that OQ is 13 centimeters. He is telling us to find the length PQ. Okay, so the given condition is a circle is there. Okay, a circle with center O. Okay, and he's telling its radius is 5 centimeters. Okay, next he's also telling PQ is a tangent to OQ. PQ is tangent to OQ and that distance is 13 centimeters. Alright, so we'll see how to draw this. Okay, so I have already drawn this. See, if you're taking something like this is a circle, draw this with a radius of 5 centimeters. Okay, so this is around this point is P. Okay, PQ is the tangent, that's what he said, right? So this is PQ. Tangent is, there is nothing but a line which is crossing the circle from the exterior side, I mean the outside. Okay, so this line is the tangent. So this point is P and we'll consider this point as Q. And this is O, the center. So OP is said around 5 centimeters. The radius is 5 centimeters. Okay, and according to question, OQ is 13, right? So OQ is, this is 13 centimeters. Okay, so if you see this triangle OPQ, if you see this clearly, it is in the form of a right angle triangle, right? So here it is like right angle triangle. Okay, so you can also write that. Okay, angle OPQ, okay, is 90 degrees. That means if it is a right angle triangle, you can apply this Pythagoras rule, right? So that is nothing but from triangle OPQ, okay, you can write it as OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. That is, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay, I think this is Pythagoras rule. Okay, so when you apply this, you will get around OQ square is 13. Okay, 13 square. OP is 5. 5 square plus PQ square. Actually, in the question, he is asking us to find the length PQ only. Okay, that is what we are finding now over here. Okay, so this 13 square is 169 is equal to 25 plus PQ square. Alright, so when this goes this side, 169 minus 25 is equal to PQ square. So that is around 144. 144 is equal to PQ square. I'll write this here. 144 is equal to PQ square. That means PQ is equal to 12. So that means PQ is 12 centimeters. According to the question, find the length PQ. This is 12. Okay, I think this is clear. Just draw a circle, draw a tangent to it. P is a tangent, PQ is a tangent to it. Okay, and what are the given conditions? Just write it over here, 13 centimeters, 5, and just apply the Pythagoras rule and you'll get the length of the PQ. I think this is clear.